back to Festive Forever. So you guys must be thinking that why am I running on the streets? No guys, I'm not crazy at all. Today's vlog is going to be little different because I have decided to do my intense cardio outdoors. So now let's come to the second question. Where am I? Most of you, I feel, must have guessed by now that I am at Marine Drive stretch. Come on, we both have to agree on this that there is no better place than Marine Drive to do your intense cardio. So after intense cardio, of course I'm super hungry and I want to have my amazing breakfast, guys. So today I'm gonna take you to one of the places that I love for breakfast, and I think you will love it too. So till then, stay tuned. After an intense cardio, our body needs instant nutrition. So today I have come at Pizza by the Bay. So guys, Pizza by the Bay is very much famous for its pizzas, of course. But today we are not going to have pizzas. We are going to have this amazing spread of their breakfast, which is available at 249 rupees. This breakfast is super delicious, super healthy, and definitely meets your nutrition level. I know many of you must have already visited this place, so for those people, enjoy visual treat, and those who have not yet visited can explore their options with me. So let's go. So guys, we have called for 6 things, but here we have 4 things right there in front of me. So the first thing we have is scrambled egg cooked with Indian spices. Then we have hash brown and baked beans. Here they have also given us some bread. These are brown bread. And then here we have Amul butter. And then here we have egg Florentine. It's cooked with spinach. And here we have Big Bird. Here also it's cooked with spinach, feta cheese. All the things are together. So let's try it out and see what all things are there, and if it's super healthy, super tasty. Now we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna try scrambled eggs and taste how it is. It's nice. If you guys have ever had our Indian bhurji, which is like scrambled egg but cooked with Indian spices, it's exactly the same way. Tomato, onion, red chili, all these things are there. Then coriander. Here we have baked beans. These are a little sweet, I can taste, I think, tomato ketchup in this. And this is also not spicy actually, but it's good. I'm gonna try now hash brown. It's just normal the way we get it. Crispy from outside, potato from inside, deep fried. I'm not gonna try the breads because I think breads are very normal. Now we'll try the second dish. So here we have egg Florentine. There is spinach in this, and I'm just going to use my hand for this. It's on the slice anyways. Spinach is very dominating. When I had the first bite, all I could feel is spinach and then egg white. So in total it's good and super healthy. If you're a health freak, you should totally consider this one than the burji. So now I'm gonna try Big Bird. It's filled with feta cheese, spinach and 3 egg whites. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna go for a big bite, guys. Okay, it's not coming actually. I have to go for a small bite. I loved it. Here, I think anything that has spinach, you must order it because they have cooked it so well and the cheese is blending so amazingly. You guys should totally order your anything that has spinach in it. Okay guys, so here we have also tomato. I think some salt, with some salt or something. I'll give it a try. Yeah, it's with salt, but you can say that it just tastes like any other tomato. I cannot even feel the salt, but this is definitely good. So now I'm gonna try waffles over here. Here we have our maple syrup. These are just plain waffles I have ordered for. And then here we have our honey. I'm just gonna pour both of them and give it a try. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands for this. I think it tastes better with maple syrup than honey, but it's too good, guys. You should definitely try it. It's crispy from the outside, perfectly made. It's too good. I really loved it. There are a couple of places, or I would say there are very less places where I really love waffle, and this is definitely one of the places where I would definitely have waffles. Next amazing breakfast option that you should totally consider is Mediterranean breakfast. This is filled with again spinach, some corn, and here we have flat bread. Now I'm just gonna take a bite and dip it into this dipping hummus that we have, which is my favorite, of course. Guys, I loved it. Hummus is so amazing, and this flatbread is perfectly made. Spinach is tasting good, baby corn is giving good taste, and of course, but frankly speaking, I love hummus more than this. Sorry, but I do love hummus a lot. So I'm gonna enjoy this. So guys, I'm ending my vlog here on a sweet and warm note, that is with a hot chocolate. Though I did intense workout and this is definitely not that healthy, but come on. So we have come to the end of this vlog, and now we are gonna rate this place on our festive meter. So I'm gonna rate this place 8 on 10 on my festive meter. So I have given 8 on 10 not just for the food, but it's for the overall experience. When you visit this place, it's not just about the food, it's about their ambience, it's their staff, it's about the view and the overall experience. So I have considered all the factors and have given the rating accordingly. And if you guys want me to cover lunch or dinner at this place, so leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely cover that too. I'm ending this vlog here. Till then, live like festive style. Bye bye.